Today, 11 candidates stand before you, all asking for your confidence to create a better organization. It's been a long week, so instead of telling you about my plans, let me tell you guys two stories. So the first story I got from one of my classes in BA. There were three builders who were hard at work. When asked, "What are you doing?" the first bricklayer said, "I'm laying bricks." Then the second guy was asked, and he said, "I'm feeding my family." And the third guy was asked, and he said, "I'm building a cathedral." Working with people in UPJMA has always been working with cathedral builders. All of our success is the product of leaders with a vision. A vision is really like a magnet, in the sense that it draws people towards it. It is vision that takes us from the past and commits us to the future. It is this vision, coupled with creativity and passion, that has made JMA what it is today. I have been fortunate to work with some great builders, and truly I have learned so much. Everything I am today, I have JMA to thank for it. The second story I want to share with you is something I'm sure most people can relate to. I'm sure almost everyone here has been to PlanSem at least once, and one of the most unforgettable experiences would have to be facing the DSS challenge. For the next 5 to 6 hours, everyone is faced with a seemingly impossible task. At first, only several people step up, but ultimately, everyone has a role to play. Whether it's everyone clinging to jockey at the center, guys fencing people in, or girls na sobrang nasusuffocate na kasi sobrang sikip, or si Chris Goose crawling through everyone's legs. Everyone has a role to play, and each role is integral to success. Once you finish this task, at that moment, after sweating it out for so long, nothing is more fulfilling knowing that you all move forward together. For me, this experience really is a physical manifestation of what we go through as an organization every day. I acknowledge that there are cliques, and it is natural that there are certain people we get along with better. But despite this, my goal is to bring these different groups together for the betterment of our work. The DSS activity proves that whether within teams or as a whole organization, success is achieved when everyone plays a part. I admit I made a lot of mistakes, especially in dealing with people. I admit that people see me as intense, but know that the amount of intensity I have equates to the amount of passion I have for this work. However, yes, I have learned that this is sometimes not the best approach. It is things like this that teach me that I have so much more to improve on as a person, and it's something that I will continue to address. Running for this election has been a truly humbling experience. It has allowed me to reflect deeply on my relationship with the people and the org. Because the truth is, what I love most about the org is its people. Through the org, I met some of my closest friends. The woman I love. And some of the best people I could ever hope for. So, each one of you here has touched me one way or another, and I'm very thankful for that. Because I've never felt so much love, faith, and support in my life. So everyone here today, I cannot really express how thankful I am to have you guys in my life. To the younger members, most especially, I want to work to make this organization better for you guys, because eventually, it will be you guys filling out your great visions and take our organization even further. It's all you guys that inspire me to give and to continue giving. And with so many promises have been made and so many plans to be fulfilled, I really don't know what the future holds. But there's one thing I do know. You and I, together, will find ways. Thank you.